You don't have to burn books to destroy a culture. Just get people to stop reading them. I have never listened to anyone who criticized my taste in space travel, sideshows, or gorillas. When this occurs, I pack up my dinosaurs and leave the room. We are cups, constantly and quietly being filled. The trick is, knowing how to tip ourselves over and let the beautiful stuff out. Stuff your eyes with wonder, he said. Live as if you'd drop dead in 10 seconds. See the world. It's more fantastic than any dream made or paid for in factories. You must write every single day of your life. You must lurk in libraries and climb the stacks like ladders to sniff books like perfumes and wear books like hats upon your crazy heads. May you be in love every day for the next 20,000 days. And out of that love, remake a world. There is more than one way to burn a book. And the world is full of people running about with lit matches. There must be something in books, something we can't imagine, to make a woman stay in a burning house. There must be something there. You don't stay for nothing. Some people turn sad awfully young. No special reason, it seems, but they seem almost to be born that way. They bruise easier, tire faster, cry quicker, remember longer and, as I say, get sadder younger than anyone else in the world. I know, for I'm one of them. We cannot tell the precise moment when friendship is formed. As in filling a vessel drop by drop, there is at last a drop which makes it run over, so in a series of kindnesses there is at last one which makes the heart run over. Don't ask for guarantees. And don't look to be saved in any one thing, person, machine, or library. Do your own bit of saving, and if you drown, at least die knowing you were heading for shore. Learning to let go should be learned before learning to get. Life should be touched, not strangled. You've got to relax, let it happen at times, and at others move forward with it. The magic is only in what books say, how they stitched the patches of the universe together into one garment for us. But you can't make people listen. They have to come round in their own time, wondering what happened and why the world blew up around them. It can't last. A good night's sleep, or a 10-minute ball, or a pint of chocolate ice cream, or all three together, is good medicine. Bees do have a smell, you know, and if they don't they should, for their feet are dusted with spices from a million flowers. There's no use going to school unless your final destination is the library.